Plan Vacations, the travel planning genies. We help families like yours save time, save stress, save hassle, and create extra magic on those Disney and Universal destination vacations. And today we are at Loews Portofino Bay Hotel at Universal Orlando Resort for full tour and walkthrough. So the first thing that happens when you actually arrive at Loews Portofino Bay is you're gonna go and get your temperature checked. You're gonna get a wristband that shows that your temperature has been checked, you're good to go. Then of course behind me is the check-in area. And just check out these beautiful, amazing views of the lobby of Loews Portofino Bay Hotel. There's a lot of things to absolutely love about Loews Portofino Bay Hotel, and of course one of those is the actual location, that it is right on the water that surrounds Islands of Adventure, Universal Studios Florida, and City Walk, which makes it really easy to get to the parks and to City Walk within about 15 minutes of time, depending upon how many people are waiting on the boats. The other thing to love is that it is a premier resort property, which means you have unlimited express pass for the duration of your stay at no additional charge. Another huge perk. Then of course you have all the dining, restaurants, options, and things of that, which I'm going to cover a little bit later on this video. But the other amazing thing to love about this hotel is that Steven Spielberg actually had his hand in helping to coordinate the direction and art of this hotel, so it actually looks like Portofino in Italy. And one of those things that they figured out is the sweeping, breathtaking view of the water. Check it out behind me. All right, so right now I am right outside the backside of Loews Portofino Bay Hotel. That is the east wing over that way. The room's on the east wing. The west wing rooms are over this way over here. And this whole entire area that you see all around me is a whole bunch of different shops and things of that nature. So let me give you a quick tour of all these areas, starting with the pool. Let's check out the pool. So this is the absolutely stunning pool of Loews Portofino Bay Hotel. You can see right behind me that we have a water slide that goes into the lagoon and a little chair, rustic, almost looks like Caribbean. It reminds me a little bit of Disney's Caribbean Beach Hotel and Resort, their pool area, but beautiful, beautiful sand area over here as well. And of course you got a bar tucked away in that corner. Just a beautiful place to spend your vacation in Florida. All right, the next area I want to show everybody is the fitness center and also the Mandarin Spa. You guys know I love to work out on my vacations, and I think Universal does a great job with their fitness centers overall, so let's check this out. So you're gonna come in the Mandarin Spa. Once you come inside, you're gonna need to go ahead and sign in. So as you guys can see back over this way, we have a whole bunch of different cardio equipment that you can use on your vacation. We have, of course, your normal elliptical machines, your treadmills, and then we also have some machine weight systems, and then we do have some free weights back there in the back as well. Now, if you guys have seen our other video, we have a complete tour of Universal's Cabana Bay Beach Resort. I'll put the link right up there. Their fitness center is amazing. I would have to say it beats this one hands down. It's just absolutely huge. It's actually the Jacqueline Lane Fitness Studio. But this is pretty good for your vacation. So from here, let's go check out some of the shops. So let me do a walking tour with you of all the amenities that are at Portofino, and it's huge. Starting our first stop over here, we're at Trattoria del Porto, which was one of the restaurants that they have here on property. They have something for everybody. Everybody in your family, especially a lot of vegan and vegetarian foods if that's your thing. And we're gonna keep walking back this way. Mama Dello's Ristorante. This is another restaurant that they have on property over here, but right now it is closed due to COVID-19. Hopefully it opens up soon. It is really, really good Italian food, which is what I would expect at Loews Portofino. This over here is the best place for your grab and go quick service dining, and this is Sal's Market Deli. I'm gonna go inside and just show you guys kind of what this ambiance is all about. They have a wide variety of snacks you can choose from, all sorts of snacks over here you can take up to your hotel room. Quick items to go, including some really delicious treats over here. And they even have some Pellegrino, some wine, just a whole bunch of different things you can take up to your hotel room, which is fantastic. And then they also have a complete pizza and sandwich menu, delicious pizzas, delicious sandwiches, sure to please every member of your family, and it's a really fun dining atmosphere as well. You can see all the Italian flags hanging down. Love this place so much. Now, sometimes it's helpful while you're at your resort hotel to go shopping at the resort hotel as opposed to into the park, and this is the Universal Studio store at Loews Portofino Bay Hotel. And as I walk in, just notice how nice and quiet this is compared to the hubbub of the park, right? So this is a great place to come and get some last minute souvenirs or things you've forgotten while you're on your stay. Highly recommend, if you have Express Pass, that you get a lanyard for your Express Pass so that way you don't have to keep digging it out of your pocket. They also have some amazing luggage tags. And over here, hello!
Hello! How are you?
Good!
Wow.
Yes! And over here, of course, you can get your wands for the Wizarding World of Harry Potter. And if you haven't seen our video on how to use interactive wands, I'm going to put a link right up there so you can watch that as well. And these are the non-interactive wands because they don't have the silver or gold stickers. But if you come over to the other side over here, you can see that all of these have the gold stickers, which means those are the interactive wands. So if you forget something, check out the Resort Hotel Gift Store at Loews Portofino Bay. And of course, we all know what this sign means, Starbucks. So of course, we have a Starbucks location at Loews Portofino Bay. So that's one place to get your sugar and caffeinated for your days in the parks. But we also have the gelateria here as well at Loews Portofino Bay because we're celebrating like we're in Italy. So why not have some gelato as well? All right, so now we are over by our room. So let me give you a quick room tour of what it looks like. We're staying in a Garden View King room. So let's give you guys the full scoop room tour. Now it's dark outside because we just checked in, so you're not gonna really be able to see a whole lot that's outside, but come on in, let's check it out. I'm gonna take off
my mask since we're no longer social distancing. So if you walk this way, you can see we have beautiful, beautiful, beautiful king size room. Very bougie inside here, if I might say. And I didn't plan this, but my sweater matches the backboard of the bed. Look, check it out. Ta-da! I can blend in. Anyway. Yeah, so we have a little desk sitting area right over here, which is really nice. We have some plugs. I don't see USB outlets. Let's see if we have USB outlets over here. Looks like we don't have USB outlets over here either. So this is definitely some place where you'd want to bring your own USB outlets for your iPhone and things of that nature, electronic devices. We have a nice dual sitting area right over here, which is really, really nice. We see some pictures of Portofino over here as well with the boats, which is amazing. And you can take a look outside. I don't know if you can see anything. It's really dark. It's nighttime, but this is a garden view, so you can't see the bay area anyway. Let's take a look at the beautiful bathroom. This bathroom is really big bathroom. There is no private area to do your business, so keep that in mind. But we do have a nice shower over here, which is beautiful, and dual sink, which is fantastic. Lots of room and cabinet space over here. This is the closet. We have a sliding closet. We can see the safe over here on this side, ironing board. No extra pillows. And we have some hand sanitizer with the emblem on there. Ice, little coffee machine area. And I think that about sums it up. I mean, this is a really nice size hotel room. We do have a mini fridge inside here, which is great. And a little drawer for some snacks if you had snacks you want to put there. So it's a beautiful, beautiful space. It's really nice. It's clean. Yeah, so this is, they're showing things you can eat. And I don't know why I'm so hungry. I just ate. But there you go. There's the inside and the room tour of Loews Portofino Bay at Universal Orlando Resort. This is a king size room with a garden view. All right. Let's check out some other things that we could go and look at.
Now, of course, Laura and I and all the other genies at Magic Land Vacations would absolutely love to grant your Disney and Universal destination vacation wishes. If you go to our website, you can actually check out all the destinations that we do right over here. You can also schedule a complimentary consultation with one of our amazing Disney and Universal travel planning experts. And Laura, why don't you tell them how can they sign up for one of our amazing giveaways?
If you join our VIP Facebook group, you can join there. You can also go to our website and click on the link to our 10 favorite hacks and tricks for Disney and Universal, and you can also go there.
Yes, absolutely. And don't forget, we have some more amazing Disney and Universal video content for you to watch as well. We have a video right here and a video right here. And make sure you check the links in the description where you can figure out where to follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter.